In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to delete search history on your iPhone or iPad iOS 26 update on your Safari browser. So first of all, open the Safari browser app. Now to clear history guys, first of all, let me do this. Yeah. Now when you open the app, it will open like this. Now you have to tap on this icon over here at the top left corner, and now you have to tap on history, and let me make it light mode so it can be visible. So there is a three dot over here, just tap on it, and here you will be able to see this clear option. Just tap on this, and now you can choose a time frame in which you want to delete the you want to clear the history. So yep, and just tap on clear history and you're done. So yeah, that's how guys you can make it. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.